Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. In general, our short-term analysis looks like was correct because market indeed is moving lower, and we said that until market will not complete this ABCD pattern, hardly it will be able to turn up. So we have warned you that do not take the bet on the pattern that was formed last week. We said that probably another lockdown should happen. Currently, we are not sure at all that market will definitely turn to the upside because the downward risks really exists, mostly due to the really high level of the speculative long positions by the CFTC data. So market has very limited potential to show the new purchases right now, and that's why this downward action is really logical. But at the same time, market previously has shown really significant upward acceleration, and probably this momentum, maybe a combination of some other factors, still could push market higher to the 1330 area. This should be the answer on this question. We should get somewhere around 1240 area, as we have discussed in our weekly research, because in the 1235, 1240 is an area where market will reach the logical final points of the retracement that now stands. And if this really indeed the retracement, then market should turn up again. If market will continue to move lower, it will tell us that it's not retracement anymore, and we should be ready for a deeper downward action in the gold market. So currently, as we have discussed, the current week will be the major week where we should get the answer on the possible direction. Maybe market will not show this direction in the full power, but at least we should get the answer what to expect next, whether market will be able, or at least whether it will make another attempt to move higher, or it will capitulate and just drop lower and start the retracement, long-term retracement on the gold market. So currently you see that market is moving lower right to the target of this ABCD pattern, and soon we probably will get some pattern completed, and we will see a reaction on the completion of this ABCD pattern. Probably maybe it will even happen today. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, recall what we said: do not take the bet on this bullish engulfing, this classical trap of the gold market. Wait when the market will complete this large ABCD and minor ABCD 1618 target. So large ABCD mostly has completed, minor hasn't quite tested yet. Also, we do not exclude the possibility that market will drop slightly lower to the 1235, because here we have the monthly pivot support one, and based on the pivots framework, usually when the market drops below the pivot point, it has the gravitation, it shows the tendency right to the weekly pivot support one. Importance of this area also stands around weekly pivot support one, because this pivots we usually use as an indicator of the trend. If retracement down is held by pivot support one, it tells us this is just retracement and bullish trend is still valid. The market probably should turn up again. If market drops below the pivot support one, it tells that this is not retracement anymore. This is one of the it's just one of the tool that we use in the current 1235, 1240 area. So let's keep watching what will happen. The market gradually is moving lower. As you can see, the leg that were discussed here on last week now stands in progress. Probably it will take the shape of the butterfly. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, this will be some kind of the butterfly. Maybe it will be 1/7. Maybe market will drop slightly lower to the 1618. As I said, 1235 area. You'll see. But guys, if you're searching for the long position, you would like to take some kind of the pain or gain trade, because the advantage, the result, if market indeed will turn up, here, this in fact the last point where it could happen. So if you will take the long position here, market indeed will turn up, you probably will take the position right at the bottom. So that's the major attractiveness of this current situation. Market probably will form here a reversal pattern, so you could use the butterfly if you would like to take the long position. And if you will be wrong, probably market still will show some upward retracement, minor retracement here that will let you to place stop on the break even. If you will become wrong, you will get the answer very fast. So as soon as market will drop below here, you will very fast you will get the confirmation of your wrong position, and here you also will be able to place the tight stop. So in this point, the stop will be tightest compared to any one other place where you would like to take the position. So because this is the conjunction, some kind of the focus point of trend's equilibrium. So this break-even point for the trend. That's why in these points it's really risky to take the position, but at the same time, as advantage will be the greatest in this point, as this point is most suitable for from the stop placement, because here you will be able to place stop that will be very close to your position. But as I said, risk is really great, because if market will drop, this downward acceleration will be fast, and this will be some kind of the point when the further destiny of the gold market should be determined. So that's why this is not suitable for everybody. So you should take a look at this situation from your trading style point of view. Some traders prefer to get reversal first and then enter on some minor retracement. This is also the trading style, trading solution. You get the worst entry point, but you already stand with the upward action. That will become a bit safer from that standpoint. But the stop placement will be far, and probably the entry point will be worse than here. So that's a bit personal, how to trade this situation, whether should we trade it at all. Because as I said in our weekly research, we discussed many times already that for us guys, the major to get the entry point after this bigger retracement. We're not really has intention to trade on this minor action to the upside from the larger time scale perspective. We need to take the position as a result of this retracement. We mean that when the sentiment will normalize, the speculative position will drop from extreme point down as a result of this retracement. Maybe this will happen even around 1120, 1150 area. This also could happen. We expect some deep retracement on the gold market in the nearest 1-2 months. Probably it should start. That's our major object here, guys. It's a bit tactical trading, but still this really very great potential of this trade. That's why we do not call you to ignore it totally. Just make the right decision that this corresponds to your trading style. Decide by yourself how is better to you. First of all, would you like to trade it on the long side at all, the gold market right now in the current circumstances, or this is not much to your expectation? Second, how you would like to trade it on the long side, whether you're trying to take the pain and gain right in the extreme point, when it's possible trying to catch the reversal to the upside, or better for you to trade it after reversal will happen. This will be a bit safer, but will provide you worse entry point. But in general, guys, we expect some bounce here, and probably on the current week we will get the answer in what direction gold will follow.